Hello friends, we are learning grades 9 mathematics 7th chapter triangle of CBSE. We are learning the congruency of the congruence rule of the triangle. The first theorem of the triangle is that theorem 7.1 as per the textbook ASA congruence rule. What is meant by the ASA? That is the angle side angle rule. So what is the angle side angle rule? It is as per the rule it is. So understand this. This is the angle side angle. If it is between the side is between the angles, so it will be considered that between the two angles. Okay, let's read the rule. Two triangles are congruent, so these two triangles are congruent. Yes, if two angles and the included side of one triangle, that is the two angles, yes, and the included side of the triangle of one triangle are equal to the other two angles. So these two angles are equal to what? These two angles and the included side of the another triangle. Yes, so we are comparing the two triangles here. Yes, that is the angle of this triangle and this triangle should be equal. Similarly, angle of this triangle and this angle should be equal, and it is important that the angles and angle between two sides, between two angles, the side, so this is the side between the two triangles, should be equal to the side between the two triangles. So therefore it is called as the angle side angle rule. Now how to do with that? Let's solve with the example. Here is the one triangle of the ABC and the another triangle DEF. Now in this angle B is equal to angle E. It is given. So see that angle B is same as the angle E. It is showing by the same notation, single angle notation. Then angle C is equal to angle F. That angle C is equal to angle F. Yes, because it is notified with the same sign. Now BC is equal to EF. Now between the two angles, angle B and angle C, the common side is what? BC. Yes, and angle E and angle F, the common side is what? EF. Yes, so BC is equal to the EF. Yes, therefore these two triangles are congruent by the angle side angle rule. Angle side angle rule. Got it everyone? And though it is the congruent, so sign of the congruency is that this is the equal to sign and upper this sign hoga. Got it everyone? So this is called as the ASA congruence rule. Okay. Now there are total 4 rules. One rule is already applied. The link is in the link is in the chat box, so you can get it, and please stay connected and keep it with us. So if you like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thank you so much.